What's going on, everyone? MikeO back, doing another break. Today, I'll be breaking the RC Explosion Box, Volume 17 by Filmington. Repack product, super popular. A lot of people have done very well, pulled some big-time cards over the course of the 17 volumes. So super excited to break this and see how I do. Perhaps I'll pull something cool that I can send off to either SGC or PSA. We will see. So, gonna get into it and see what we do. I'm sure everyone watching this has heard of Filmington. If you haven't, check out his channel, ever growing. Phil does a fantastic job. Very insightful videos and a great channel that you can learn about the hobby. So, here you go, Volume 17. Here's the list of products. So nice selection of stuff there. Here's all the information for Filmington. And one of the great things he does is kind of highlights everything that you can look for. So a ton of fantastic rookie possibilities. So let's see what we got here. We got the 81 Fleer Premier Edition. 91 Upper Deck, 2010 Topps Chrome, Bowman Draft from 2015, 2017 Topps Update, 2018 Topps Chrome, 2018 Heritage High Number, 2018 Topps Series 2, 2018 Topps Update, 2019 Heritage Minor Leagues, 2019 Topps Update, and 2020 Topps Baseball Series 1. So hopefully hit something really fun, but you never know. That's the chance you take when you're breaking stuff. But the thing here is you get to break a ton of fun products that quite honestly can become, and at this point somewhat are, fairly unaffordable to buy the box. It's just, the risk is there. The risk is real if you're paying a couple $100s for a box. So let's get started. We'll go in order. 1981 Fleer. Key cards are Harold Baines and Fernando Valenzuela. So let's see what we got. And of course, we will not chew the gum. A little late for the cap offer. Very easy to bust the old wax pack. That was not a good move, not a good way to start, but there's the gum. Vintage gum. All right, let's see what we got here. Rick Roden, that was the back of the pack. So you have the wax stain on the back, not visible, but very feelable. Joe Strain, covered in gum powder. Frank White. Joe Charbonneau, Scott McGregor, Ed Farmer, Rafael Ramirez, Darrell Jackson, Rennie Martin, John Littlefield, Warren Cromartie, Kurt Bavacqua, Luis Salazar, Charlie Lebrant, wow. Remember him pitching for the Braves towards the end of his career. Julio Cruz, Ken Wrights, and Tony Bernazard. So not the best beginning, but when you let some cards slip off a pile, you kind of hope you don't get the big card. So 81 Fleer, no real big names there. Next up, we have 1991 Upper Deck. 91 Upper Deck, we're looking for the Michael Jordan, Chipper Jones, and Mike Mussina. So we'll take a peek at this. 91 Upper Deck. Lou Whitaker, potential future Hall of Famer, we'll see. Orlando Merced, Mickey Morandini, that's awesome. A lot of memories of Mickey Morandini. Had a really nice career with the Phillies, made an all-star game, part of that classic 93 Phillies team, which, by the way, how is that team With all their antics, not gotten some sort of ESPN 30 for 30 documentary. You would think at some point they would. Chuck Carr. We got Luis Gonzalez, World Series hero for the Diamondbacks. Don Slaught, Tom Brookins. We got a Pittsburgh Pirates 3D hologram. BJ Surhoff, Frank Thomas. Nice Frank Thomas there. A little off center, left to right. But nice card there. Steve Wilson, Scott Ruskin, Eric Gunderson, John Barfield, and Mike Benjamin. So pack number 2 did pull a Hall of Famer, but none of the key cards. We'll keep rolling. Next up, 2010 Topps Chrome. 4 cards per pack, so not a lot of cards. You got base cards and refractors of Giancarlo Stanton, Steven Strasburg, Josh Donaldson, and Carlos Santana. Chance for autographs as well. So we're going to start off with a rookie card of Drew Stubbs, Sergio Santos, Pablo Sandoval, and Lyle Overbay. So that's our 2010 Topps Chrome pack. Next up, 2015 Bowman Draft. Base and Chrome cards of Walker Buehler, Kyle Tucker, Andrew Benintendi, Brendan Rodgers, Austin Riley, Buehler, Soroka, Ryan Mountcastle, Scott Kingery. Got a chance at autos as well. 7 cards per pack. Bowman Draft. Looks like we got a parallel coming up. Nolan Watson, Tyler Beatty, yeah, guy who made the majors, Sky Blue parallel, Ryan Clark, Chrome, and Derby. So 1 parallel there, but again, nothing huge. Now we're getting into the little more modern, maybe even ultra modern if you're a PSA fan. 2017 Topps Update. You got a chance for Cody Bellinger, Matt Chapman, Luke Voit, Aaron Judge, Alex Bregman, Yoan Moncada, Benintendi, Luis Castillo, Paul DeJong, Josh Hader. This is all stuff that I've definitely broken more recently. Not super recently, but obviously at the time I did. So, see what we got here. Jaime Garcia, Boog Powell, Bonilla, Juan Moncada. So that's a solid one there. That is a slab candidate. Juan Moncada, Topps Update. Put that aside. Ariel Hernandez. Got a Robinson Cano All-Star Game. Janikowski and Gudon. Domingo Herman. Corey Seager All-Star Game. And Gary Sanchez Home Run Derby. So definitely happy to hit the Juan Moncada, one of the key rookies. So hit one of the key rookies in the box. That's cool. 2018 Topps Chrome. 2018 Topps Chrome, definitely loaded. Ronald Acuna, Gleyber Torres, Ohtani, Devers, Walker Buehler. Then you have, obviously, refractors and autos possible of most of those players as well. So let's take a look. See if we pull anything exciting out of here. Yoenis Cespedes on the back. The front starts with Chris Taylor. Do have a refractor. No, we have a parallel freshman flash insert, I should say, of Rhys Hoskins. So obviously as a Phillies fan, it's a player I collect. I do have plenty of that card though. We got a Tim Anderson base and Yoenis Cespedes. So not an awful pack. but none of the guys were really craving. 2018 Topps Heritage high number is next up on the list. Of course, Ronald Acuna, Juan Soto, Gleyber Torres, Shohei Ohtani, Austin Meadows. You can get action variations, autos, which are very tough, but they are possibilities. And there you go. Top card, Ronald Acuna Jr. So, really nice there. Centering, not perfect. Is pack fresh. Oh, we'll put that aside and look at it. So, another key rookie pool. Jonathan Lucroy, Tyler Clippard, Preston Tucker, Eric Hosmer, Hunter Strickland, Eduardo Nunez, Pedro Severino, and Tony Cingrani. So I believe Eric Hosmer is a high number short print. I mean, it's Eric Hosmer. It's probably like $1 card, but still not bad to get. All right, 2018 Topps Series 2. Base and parallel cards of Shohei Ohtani, Scott Kingery, short prints of Ronald Acuna, Gleyber Torres. They are the two cards we're definitely seeking out in here. Pretty tough to pull, but always a possibility. So let's take a look. Kyle Seager, Derek Fisher, Ben Zobrist, Ben Revere, Willie Stargell insert, Denard Span, Carl Edwards Jr., Justin Turner, and Yu Darvish. So no super short print in there. Would have been pretty amazing, and perhaps someone will hit one. All right. This product has been like crazy lately. The hobby boxes are out of control. The jumbo boxes, even more nuts. You have a ton of awesome stuff in here. Ronald Acuna, Juan Soto, Gleyber Torres, Shohei Ohtani, Austin Meadows, image variations. So a bunch of possibilities at key rookies here. And we're going to start this pack off with Alex Colomé. We got JD Martinez, Francisco Liriano, Evan Longoria, Brandon Drury, Shohei Ohtani, 3-game home run streak. I believe that is a checklist, and it is. Gleyber Torres, 83 tops. So not too bad. If you're going to get one of these, you'll take one of the rookies. We got Matt Adams. We got Jesmel Valentin and Mitch Walding. And Eric Hosmer. So fun pack there. Unfortunately, the fun coming to an end. Last couple packs coming up. 2019 Topps Heritage Minor League. You can get base cards of Wander Franco, Luis Robert, Yordan Alvarez, Julio Rodriguez, Jared Kelenic, Joey Bart. A bunch of variations are possible as well. We got Bryce Terang, Mitch Keller, Austin Beck. Congratulations, you received a pro debut insert card and can enter for a chance to make your own pro debut with the Rocket City Trash Pandas. Jordan Yamamoto, Dennis Reyes, Fabian, and Edward Cabrera. Of course, you can always check those back numbers to see if you were to get variations of some sort. Heritage Minor League, definitely a fun product, generally affordable when it comes out. 2019 Topps Update has continued to rise in price as well. You have Vlad Guerrero Jr., Keston Hiura, Carter Kieboom, Austin Riley, Nick Senzel, Luis Ariz, variations, of course, as well. Let's see what we pull here. Kevin Cron, Edwin Encarnacion, Thomas Pannone, Jordan Luplow, Justin Verlander. Looks like we got a pink coming up. We got the Steel City Bashers. Our pink is Michael Brantley. Obviously, if we would have hit one of the rookies, that would have been sensational. The Mother's Day pinks are numbered to 50. Michael Brantley, very good player, but obviously not the most popular teams right now. Greg Holland, Zach Britton, JT Realmuto, JD Hammer, JD Martinez, and Joe Biani. All right, final pack. We're at the newest of products, 2020 Topps Series 1, another product that's going crazy. Hobby boxes are close to $100 right now. Jumbo's approaching $200. Base card and parallels potential of Yordan Alvarez, Gavin Luxbo, Bichette, Aquino, Nico Horner, Jesus Luzardo. So let's break this pack of 2020 Topps Series 1 to wrap up the Rookie Card Explosion Box, Volume 17. Bobby Bradley, Andrew Heaney, AJ Puck, Sandy Alcantara. We got Toro for the Astros, Alberto Mondesi, Jose Urena, Aaron Nola, Willie Adames, the Chicago Cubs, Chicago White Sox. Got a Christian Yelich, 85 Topps. Christian Vazquez, and Blake Trinan. So that's your Rookie Card Explosion Box, Volume 17. Fun rip. Definitely did solid. Didn't crush it, didn't kill it, but hit a few key rookies, and that's really all you can expect for. Appreciate Phil providing this. Definitely very fun. They're limited supply, so I was lucky to get my hands on one of them this round. Hopefully be able to continue to pick some up. Few random inserts. Obviously, that Mother's Day pink tough pull. You know, not the player you're looking for. You're looking for one of the big rookies that would hold a little more value. But few rookies like Gleyber Torres. The Acuna is a real solid card. Got to look it over. Centering is not perfect. And I remember when I broke those, I had a lot of issues with the centering. The Moncada, the top right corner, I have to look a little closer at. And then pulled a Frank Thomas, 91 upper deck. Obviously not a huge card, but definitely fun to pull the big hurt. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Comment below, let me know what you think. And check out all the other videos around YouTube of people breaking the Rookie Card Explosion Box. Have a great one.